supporting the channel by smashing the like button. I'm showing you everything that I know about algo trading here transparently for free on YouTube. So thank you. Let's see here. How do we calculate this support and resistance? Let's print this out one more time because I need to see what the data frame looks like. Okay. Perfect. This is what the data frame looks like. So, how do we calculate support? How do we calculate resistance? Well, we're going to use the close column because that's what matters to me. And based off that close column, I want to look at the last, what did I say up here? Calculate the last 3 days of data. So what is 15 minutes? 15 minutes times 3 days. So what is that calculation? So in 24 hours, there are 4 cycles of 15 minutes. So 24 times 4 means there's 96. So 96 15-minute periods in one day. And we want 3 days. So 96 times 3 equals 288. I'm using a calculator, by the way. I'm not that smart. 96 times 3 equals 288 plus 1 because we use the weird coding thing where count starts with 0, so 289. So I actually want the last 289 periods of data in my data frame. So I'm going to go down to my data frame here, and I'm going to say instead of 500, I want 289, and I'm going to run it again, and I'm going to get my new data frame. Power of code, the power of code. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's just like, I work hard. I do work hard. I'm not going to lie. But I'm also extremely lazy, and that's why I just love coding, because I don't have to redo stuff all the time. I mean, you just watched the past part of the video this far, and you've seen how much stuff I've reused. So now this gets me the data for the last 3 days about. So 1445, and then 3 days back is 1445 at 514. So we are good to go. This is our data frame that we need. And we need to calculate the low, the close of the, okay, so essentially what we need the low in this data frame, that will be the support, and the high will be the resistance. So support equals DF SMA, excuse me if I butcher this, DF SMA close dot min, I believe, and then the resistance, resist equals DF SMA, because all we're doing, I'll tell you after I finish so I don't get distracted, max, perfect. And then let's say print F dot, or weird things, support. I need to get the terminology down for all these like curly things and short, whatever. Doesn't matter. Again, just all kind of fugazi. You just got to learn it. So the support should be support. The resistance should be resistance. I'm going to put a time dot sleep, because I don't need to see everything else. I just want to see this information for now. So essentially we're saying, hey, in this data frame here, which you can see here, let me make sure both are on the screen so you can see it. In this data frame, which is the last 3 days, we want to find the smallest. Let's go here first. We want to find the minimum of this column, the data frame, which is this DFSMA, and we want to find the smallest value of the close. And remember, we don't want the high or the low, because that's how we're going to get screwed on a fake out. See, like the high is all the way up here, but the close is down here. So this is the actual resistance, in my opinion, or how I'm doing it in this bot. There's that's the thing, is like opinions don't matter, and that's why I build training algorithms. I try to remove all opinions. So, you know, in later versions of this, if you let me know in the comment section below, if you want to see machine learning go ahead and make these decisions for me, that's really exciting stuff, because now there's no decisions. And that's why I algo trade, is because, you know, you can have computers make decisions for you once you get advanced enough. And I show all that stuff in my bootcamp, so there's links for that. But we're getting the minimum of the close, and then we're getting the maximum of the close, and then we're going to print it out. Let's see if it works. I might have butchered this, but perfect. So the support is 28710, and the resistance is 31309. It's like magical. That wasn't too hard at all, huh? So what else do we need to do? We've got the support and the resistance. Pull on the bid and ask, we've done that. Wait, why did I do that up there? Silly guy. I have a thing here. I've got a roadmap that we built out together. Can't just go off of the roadmap. Okay. Now calculate the retest. Let's put this down here. So let's think about this. Retest equals, I think we make a function. Yeah, I think we make a function here, because there's might be more information we need. Retest. Okay.